In a PON network, authentication is required before an ONU can go online. This ensures network security and prevents unauthorized access. OLT supports 5 ONU authentication methods. On the web interface, SN, Lloyd, and password are most common. SN is the simplest, just register the SN on the OLT, no ONU setup needed. Log into the web interface as an administrator. Locate the ONU connected to the OLT. Go to the OLT PON port list and select GPON 0/1 port where the ONU is connected. Click Detail, then click New to enter the authentication settings. Choose SN as the authentication method. Add the new device manually. Set the ID to 2 and click Apply. ONU authentication is now complete. If you need to switch to another authentication method, make sure to manually delete the existing authentication entry first.